Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have an Amazon mystery box. First off, my friend gave this to me before coronavirus, so I never opened it. So I didn't buy this. So I was cleaning my room and I came across this. So, anyways, let's open it. Oh, I want to be careful. All right. Hold on, you guys. This is interesting. There we go. Got it. All right. Let's see what's inside. That's funny. All right. That's cool. There's this. That's pretty cool. Getaway Arch National Park. Nice. Where are these? Yo! I didn't know Pokemon cards are still around. This is amazing. Look at that. A whole stack of them. Oh man, this is interesting. Whoa. A Fitbit. I got another Fitbit. Yee. Woo! Let's see. I drink this too. That's funny. Some shades. It's alright. I got some Axe. Oh my gosh, you guys. No way this is it. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Bro. I'm so surprised right now. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I didn't plan this, you guys. So there's this. Bro, what the heck? I never bought a box myself. My friend gave me all this. Like, whoa, holy moly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see if there's anything. Oh, there is. There's one more thing. A pop charger. See right there. A pop charger. I don't know. I guess it charges your phone. Sweet. Well, that's pretty interesting. I know I don't believe this. Like, yeah, oh, wow. First off, this is amazing. I always wanted another Fitbit because this one's too small. Yeah. This is a really updated version. Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Let's see. I don't know how to do giveaways. Never mind. Maybe scratch that. But, hey. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, you guys, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like the video, turn on post notifications. I got this video idea from you guys on my community part of my channel, I believe. Just did like 4 random video ideas, and yeah. So if you like this video, let me know. I can do another one. I can try. I can try to get another one, but who knows? But oh man, it's amazing. I always wanted a Fitbit. Woo! It's crazy. And I never expected money in this box, bro. I am so surprised right now. So I would, right? I'm gonna buy some, like, save up my money for like a vlog camera. What do you guys think? Oh man, I know this is amazing. So, anyways, you guys, my name's Ethan. If you're new to the channel, I am 17. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Comment down below anything you want. Or video ideas. Also, second Q&A. Yeah, 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe. Ask me a bunch of questions. So anyways, you guys, next time, until next time, yeah.